In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Bitcoin, commonly known as BTC, to USDT on Kucoin in just a second. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, this process is both quick and straightforward. So, let's dive directly into it. First, you'll need to visit Kucoin's website. If you're unfamiliar, Kucoin is a popular crypto exchange where you can trade a vast variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. It's crucial to head to their official site because you'll want to ensure all your transactions are secure. Now that you're on the website, let's move on to the next step. Next, you need to log in to your Kucoin account. Simply click the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your login credentials, your email or phone number and password. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to register first. It only takes a couple of minutes and requires basic information. But for today, we're focusing on those who already have an account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the Kucoin homepage. Here, you can find all the information related to your account, including your portfolio, available balance, and recent transactions. For now, we're interested in converting BTC to USDT. So head over to the Trade section. When you're in the Trade section, you'll see a variety of trading options. But for a quick conversion, you'll want to find the option labeled Convert. It's usually within the main menu and designed for fast and easy conversions, which eliminates the complexities of placing detailed buy or sell orders. Click on the Convert option. This option allows you to convert your Bitcoin to USDT instantly without needing to place an order on the market. You'll then see a simple input field requesting the amount of BTC you wish to convert. Enter the desired quantity of Bitcoin you plan to convert to USDT. Take care to double-check this amount to ensure you're converting exactly what you intend. After entering the amount, the platform will show a preview of how much USDT you'll receive. Finally, review the conversion details and, if everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Within moments, your Bitcoin will be converted to USDT and credited to your account, ready for you to use. That's it. You can see how quick and uncomplicated it is to convert BTC to USDT using Kucoin's Convert feature. Whether you're doing this as part of a strategic trade or just moving funds, the process is designed to save time while ensuring peace of mind with a secure transaction. Remember to always check your transaction details before finalizing, and happy trading.